One of the best ways to bump up the quality of your compositions without even touching the notes themselves is by having good cover materials. The front cover, program notes, performance notes, and instrumentation list fall under the term front matter, and I'm going to show you exactly what information to put in your front matter to take your scores to a more professional level. Also, having aesthetically pleasing and well-designed front matter in your score really makes it pop out in online catalogs and on social media, which can lead to more of your music getting purchased or performed. So why even bother adding these cover materials in the first place? So assume a music director is curating and programming music for their next concert season, and there's two pieces of music in front of them. So the first one contains an aesthetically pleasing front cover, an instrumentation list to make it easy for the librarian to print parts for their ensemble, program notes to easily add to their concert program, and performance notes to help guide the director when rehearsing the piece. Then the second piece, which has nothing except the first page of music, and that's it. So if you were the music director, which piece would you be more likely to program? Even if the second one has better music than the first one, just having those front cover materials is indicative of a more professional product. It's really a subconscious thing, but it means a world of a difference when you have these great looking preface materials. And it really shows a level of professionalism that makes a big difference when you're trying to build your reputation as an aspiring composer. Now that you know why the front matter of a piece is so essential, I'm going to show you how I create mine. I use Adobe InDesign to create my front matter. It's software part of the Creative Cloud suite, which is not necessarily cheap. However, you can create these items in Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or any other free word processor. I use InDesign because it's professional grade software used for book publishing, and it has many advanced formatting options. These are the items I recommend having in your front matter. A title page with the title of the work, composer name, the year composed, and the copyright info. On the next page, you can have an instrumentation list, the program notes, and optional performance notes. You can also just play around with the design. This is a score of one of my earliest band pieces. It's more focused on being more pretty and aesthetic with that nice photo. And then this is what the first, the second page looks like. So yeah, very different than what I do now. And this is the design I used last year. It's based off of Michael Markowski's scores, but yeah, it's more of just like solid color, pretty simple, more minimal typeface, and yeah, just organized a lot differently. Yeah, just like a lot more minimal and clean. And this is what I used mainly all of last year, and now I like keeping things really simple. This is like even more bare bones, but I use a cool typeface, like this like classic style typeface, link down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, I think I like it a lot better. It's a lot more traditional, I guess, or just a lot more sterile, but I mean, I like it simple like that. So you can experiment with like what you want to do, but yeah, like I have three completely different styles that I've used over the years, and I'm probably going to change it. If you have any burning questions, leave them down below so that I can help you answer, or the many thousands of composers in this community. If you want a more personalized and tailored experience for creating front matter materials, or even with composing, then my availability for summer composing lessons has just opened up, so please reserve your spot in my studio, link down below. And if you want to know how to make animated score videos that'll help get your music out to a wider audience, that video is linked right above here. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and keep writing.